fine when you're not really fine.
First of all, thank you for anyone and everyone for clicking on this video. I know I've been gone for a while. Happy New Year. 21 days late, boy. And I'm finally back with another video. I'm going to try my best to upload more, and I'm gonna try to, you know, either no one said anything yet. And before I even get into anything, if anyone record on Streamlabs, please go into your video. I'm gonna do it right now. Go into settings, go into output. I lost a whole month worth of videos because I had to restart my computer. Make sure your recording format is empty. I was on FLV, lost a lot of videos. Very annoying. Make that simple change, but I'm gonna show you how to make a simple but hard beat from scratch. And I see it's like a hip hop beat, trash trap beat. So like I see anyone from like Comethazine, Future, Rick Ross, you name it. Anyone can be on anything nowadays. They just gotta rock with it. So if your beat has groove, you'll be fine. Also, very quick promotion over here on Spotify. Check that out. I'm trying to be active on there more. And over here is my BeatStart page. Every beat I make, I'm uploading there. I usually upload 3 beats a week, like actively trying to. But usually you see like 3 new beats on there. On Spotify, I don't post every beat on. I kind of post like more of my like melodic stuff, like more songs-ish, beat songs, like K Tronada. Like he don't sell his beats he put on Spotify. They're like songs. Then I think that's all the promotion. Oh yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to make just a solely beat channel. So if you're just interested in hearing the beats, y'all don't have to skip through the video. Just have that soon. But without further ado, let's get into the beat. And I'm back. Looking. All right, so real quick, thank you so much for getting to the end of the video. I'm gonna just go over some effects I use real fast since I don't really explain it process, because I'm just save all this for the end, just for the people who stay to the end. This is y'all little sauce. Drop it for y'all, or if you skip to the end, reason for you to stay here longer. But I'm just work my way down on flute. Here's the flute. Got some panning going. I always do this. That leaves room for the artist. I just have reverb, EQ'd out the lows a little bit, but I ain't want them all the way out, so I kind of like did a swoop. Added some delay. Real speech reverse. Soundgodizer, pretty flangus. Sounds real muddy. Everything. Love it. Soft chimes. I got it routed to its own little reverb. This reverb, I just add a boost of wet and a size to add more space to my sounds. I just have reverb, more delay, some gross speed, half speed. Sound like without it. It's cool too, because I believe I use stock sounds. I use all stock sounds besides labs, but all my melodic elements are just stock sounds, except for the percussion. If anything, when y'all first start making beats, just use the stock sounds and just worry about getting your percussion from somewhere else, because as long as your percussion hitting, you'll be fine. You can literally have like this be the main melody of the beat and just have the percussion going. I bet you it'll still sound fire. I'll play that later. I ain't gonna do that right now. A little space pad. Again, got it routed to the reverb channel, and I got more reverb on it, and some EQ. It was sounding like real punchy right here. That's why I put this little EQ. When I added the EQ that out. Then labs is just layered on top of same progression I just have. Here it is. I'm gonna do this. Just stereo separation. Got gross speed and some fruity delay. Well, not that much stereo separation. But it since it's a wire. No, we'll just like 20% to the right. Leave room for the artist. It's just there. Don't need to be there. Then last but not least, actually no, I didn't talk about this or show this. I wanted to have a reverse 808 to bring in, like to start the song. Not like this. I don't know if it's gonna play. I gotta play it right here. That's hard, bro. Bringing the drums. That's hard. I guess I could just play the drum bounce for a second. Whenever I make my drums, I don't, like, I'm weird. Whenever I make a beat, I literally have no one in mind. I just like to arrange sounds that sound good, then bring some bounce in with some drums. But when in doubt, if a beat never sells, I ain't make it for nobody looking. Then last but not least, for me at least, my style, I love to have like a sub bass to come in to just to change up the tension. So it goes from then stock sub to that's hard. On my 808, I ain't gonna go through everything. Like, if y'all want me to do more in depth, just let me know in the comments. Cause half the time people only watch like half the video. They just watch either the arrangement part or they just watch just the final beat. If y'all want me to more recurring people, if y'all want me to go in depth more in certain areas, I will. If not, and this is working, I mean, I'm easy for me. No harm, no foul. Got a wave shaper, Soundgodizer, saw clipper. honest, I don't really think this soft clipper is doing anything. I have it on 0.01. What if I turn it to... Okay, never mind, it's doing something. It's very minimal. I'm gonna put it back to 1. I lost my mouse. There we go. Okay. And we got, well, I can just have all this playing. My little accent hi-hat. Got none on it, just route it to a little reverb. Stereo separation will help you out a lot too. And shout out to Nick Mira. When you're picking your percussion sounds, try to pick percussion sounds you don't have to edit. It just saves you a bunch of time. And when you don't have to edit your percussion sounds, you can just get right to making your drum loops. And it's a lot less of a time constraint or time headache, because you're sitting here trying to tweak like the high and lows of a hi-hat. Like no one's trying to, unless, I mean, there's time and place, but there's not always time to do that. So like my snare, raise the highs just to make it more slappier. Where's my kick? Just got that good old knocker like normal, my usual soft clipper, wave shaper, or Meg EQ. I wanted to punch a little bit more, so I raised the mids. Nothing crazy. All right, so this is the beat. Like I said, rap beat, hip hop. I can see anyone on it for real, but in particular, just the usual Comethazine, Future, 21 Savage. If y'all hear anyone, you already know, fill up that comment section. Of anyone y'all hear on this, anyone down to collab, I'm trying to do that more, so don't hit me up and your channel is blank. At least have a video or just like something. But I'm trying to do more collabs. I'm going to eventually work on a sound pack, because as I've been making melodies a lot, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna make some more after I finish this like video outro. But I'm gonna work on a loop pack, because I have a lot of loops that I can honestly just turn to a free pack and give out, and kick patterns, hi-hat patterns. I'm gonna put all that sweet stuff in there. Like normal, like and subscribe if you like it. Share it with your friends. I am back. I am happy to be back, and hopefully you'll see at least a video from me once a week. My Beat Star page, I'm gonna have that in the comment. I'm gonna have that in the description. My Spotify and whatnot, all that be in the description. Also, send me your beats and whatnot, because I want to not react, but I guess react / critique. My mic wasn't on. Long story short, bye.